Minister of Transportation Senator Saidu Alkali don tok say belle no sweet am at all sake of say the way dem dey work on top the Port Harcourt Maiduguri Eastern Railway too slow. E come also tok say by the time they finish the Port Harcourt Maiduguri Railway, e go help increase buying and selling for the region and also reduce the effect of petrol subsidy removal on the people. Senator Alkali yarn this one for im visit to Port Harcourt, Rivers State, to chook eye on the work wey dem dey do for the railway project. E come tok say the contractor still never complete the Port Harcourt to Aba section, even with the money and time they don spend. Oga Alkali threaten the contractor say im go back go do proper check on top the legal process of the project so that dem go do the right thing if e no see any improvement for the project.
Well, it can be achieved, but I'm disappointed with what I have seen because this contract was signed for 36 months and is to cover over 2,000 kilometers. So far, even Port Harcourt Aba, the project is just around 47%. Ideally, it's supposed to cover 47% of the entire 2,000 kilometers, which by now we should be around plateau or so. And yet we are still struggling to be in Aba before the end of the year. I'm not happy, not only not happy, I'm disappointed. When I came to where they are laying the rail lines, you can see they are using manual alignment to align the sleepers. At this century, during this era of technology, I felt if you are not ready for something, don't even start it. The funding was meant on 15% to be provided by the federal government, while 85% to be provided by CCECC. So far, since the project kick-started, the funding is only done with the federal government component of the 15%. So that shows how unserious the CCEC are in terms of Port Harcourt Maiduguri reconstruction and rehabilitation project. It was signed last 2 years, but the actual construction started last year. But even in a year time, if you cannot cover Port Harcourt Aba in 12 months, then how can you cover over 2,000 kilometers in 36 months?
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Port Harcourt, Rivers State, A. Carter Ojeseli, TMC TV News.